everyone. You are welcome to our class today. I'm still Akugo Igbo. Previously in our class, we talked about the best way to say where you are from, your hometown, your local government, your state, and your country. We also talked about the best way to say your age using Igbo language. So if you find this video interesting, please go back to our previous video and watch. You will learn. Today, we are going to look into the way to express yourself if you're talking about your complexion and your height. This video will teach you how to talk about your complexion and your height using Igbo language. Stay tuned. As an Igbo indigene, if you want to talk about your skin color, that is your complexion now. If you want to talk about your skin color, if you're fair in complexion or if you're dark in complexion, the best way to say that using Igbo language. If you're fair in complexion, you would say Adem Ocha. Ocha means fair. Ocha can also mean white. You understand? Ocha can also mean white. But in this context, we are talking about the complexion. So we say you're fair in complexion. That means Ede Ocha. So if you're talking about yourself, you would say Adem Ocha. Adem. Remember, or mo means me. So you say Adem Ocha. Adem Ocha. Adem Ocha. Or you will say Anam Acha Ocha. Anam Acha Ocha. Na acha ọcha. Repeat after me. A na acha ọcha, or a de ọcha. Whichever way you choose to say it is correct. That is when you're saying about your fair skin color, you will say adem ọcha or anam acha ọcha. Some dialects will say acharam ọcha. Some dialects say that, but the standard Igbo is adem ọcha or anam acha ọcha. Let's say if you are dark in complexion, what will you say? Since the fair person will say adem ọcha, what will you say as a dark person? You would say adem oji. Oji means dark. Adem oji. Adem oji. Or anam eji oji. Anam eji oji. Adem oji or anam eji oji. Now I will ask you, ịdị ọcha? Ịdị ọcha ka ịdị oji? If I ask you, ịdị ọcha ka ịdị oji, I'm asking you, are you fair or dark? You will now reply. Can you reply me now? Good. Adem ọcha. You will say adem ọcha. Then if you're dark, you say adem oji. The question is, ịdị ọcha? Ịdị ọcha ka ịdị? Ka ịdị. I just called the two together. Ịdị ọcha ka ịdị oji. Ịdị ọcha ka ịdị oji. this is the question somebody might ask you. You will now say, Adem Ocha or Acharam Ocha. Adem Oji or Ejirim Oji. So let's talk about one's height. If you're tall in height or short in height, the best way to say it is, if you're tall, you would say etorom ogologo. Etorom ogologo. E to ro ogologo. E to ro ogologo. I am tall. You can say a de ogologo. A de ogologo. A de ogologo. If you're short, you would say a de mkpụmkpụ. A dị mkpụmkpụ. Or you will say a sụrụ mkpụmkpụ. A sụrụ mkpụmkpụ. So I ask you now, ị toro ogologo ka ị sụrụ mkpụmkpụ? Reply me. Etoro m ogologo. A sụrụ m mkpụmkpụ. So whenever you hear ịdị ogologo ka ịdị mkpụmkpụ, ịdị ọcha ka ịdị oji, I believe you've learned the exact thing to say. Thank you so much for being in this class. I enjoyed teaching you today. Please try as much as possible to follow us in our subsequent classes. Please like, share, and comment. Also follow our channel, our Facebook page, our Instagram account, and also our YouTube channel. Please subscribe, follow, like, share. Do well to always join us in this Igbo class. You will learn a lot from me. I assure you that. See you in my next video. Take care of yourself. Bye.